you may have heard this twist to an old familiar quote. Diamonds are a girl's best friend and a man's worst enemy. The unknown author of this quote was definitely speaking the truth. Every girl dreams of the day she will receive her diamond from the man she loves, and every man stresses out over finding that perfect diamond for his bride-to-be. Perhaps I can clear some confusion and make some women very happy. I work at a jewelry store, and the search for brilliant diamonds has always interested me. I've done a lot of research on this topic, and I can't wait to share my information with you guys. Today, I will discuss how to select the perfect diamond, specifically how to calculate the value of a diamond. Some of you may have heard that. Some of you may have heard this twist to an old familiar quote. Diamonds are a girl's best friend and a man's worst enemy. The unknown author of this quote was surely speaking the truth. Every girl dreams of the day she will receive her diamond from the man she loves, and every man stresses out over finding that perfect diamond for his bride-to-be. Perhaps I can clear some confusion and make some women very happy. I work at a jewelry store, and the search for brilliant diamonds has always interested me. I've done a lot of research on this topic, and I can't wait to share my knowledge with you guys. Today, I will discuss how to select the perfect diamond. Specifically, I will discuss the use of the 4 C's system to calculate the value of a diamond. The 4 C's, in the order I will discuss them, are color, cut, clarity, and carat. First, I will discuss color. Many of you may wonder what the term color refers to. According to a Diamond Source USA, the color describes the amount of color within the diamond. There are no diamonds that are perfectly clear. There's not one in the whole world. Diamonds can range from colorless to yellow with slight hints of yellow, brown, or gray. A diamond's color is graded on a scale using letters. A DiamondIsForever.com states that the GIA, or the Geological Institute of America, grades diamonds on a scale. The scale ranges from D to Z. A chart located on a DiamondSource.com lists the example of the color scale. D through F means colorless or white. G through J means near colorless or white. K through M means faint yellow. N through R means very light yellow. S through Z equals light yellow. You want to stay between D or F, D and F, or J or G and J. Ideally, D through F would be the best, but diamonds within the G or J will also be acceptable. K through Z are going to be your less pricier diamonds, but the color quality is not so good on these. Another of the 4 C's is cut. Some of you may not be familiar with the term cut when referring to diamonds. According to DiamondIsForever.com, cut refers to the angles and proportion a skilled craftsman uses when transforming a rough diamond into a polished diamond. A more simple way of describing cut may be to use the word shape, the simple shape that the diamond comes when you get it. Kay Jewelers' website lists the shapes that a diamond seeker can choose from. Some of the shapes that they can choose from are the round or brilliant cut. This cut is a more popular cut, especially within the past 10 years. It was developed within the past 100 years, so it's pretty old and pretty classic. And this cut best features a diamond's brilliance. The next cut I will discuss is the princess cut. This offers a more contemporary look, and it's gaining in popularity here in the past 10 years. Another cut I will describe to you is the marquee cut. This is better for women with slender figures and taller shapes, and it's not as popular today as it once was, but within the 80s and the early 90s, this was the #1 pick for women. The heart-shaped diamond is a more unique thing, and it's more for women that want something fun and very different. Not a lot of women at all have these. Another popular shape is the emerald cut. This is for women who like more of a classic and traditional look. The pear-shaped cut, also known as a teardrop cut, can be faced in either direction. It can face with the point up, like I have shown, or it can also be faced down, which would be the opposite or the mirror of this shape. Another shape is the oval shape. It is preferred by women who want to stray away from the more traditional look that the round, brilliant diamond would give. This is for more women for contemporary looks. Next, I will discuss clarity. I'm sure you guys are also wondering what the word clarity refers to. Kay Jewelers' website states that clarity measures the flawlessness of a diamond. Flawless diamonds are rare, almost non-existent. Most diamonds that you will see will have some type of flaw within them. The Diamond Source states that the clearness or purity, otherwise known as clarity, of a diamond is determined by the number, size, nature, and locations of the flaws, which are also called blemishes or inclusions. Kay Jewelers states that diamonds are like people and that they have natural birthmarks. The outer birthmarks would be the blemishes, and that would be the outer flaws or the outer nicks and crannies that affect a diamond's clarity. And then the inner birthmarks or the internal birthmarks would be the inclusions, which would be the flaws that are internal that you would need more of a magnification to see. Lastly, I will discuss the final C, which is carat. When I use the word carat, I'm not referring to the vegetable. According to ADiamondIsForever.com, carat is the measure of weight. Most women would tell you the bigger the better. Kay Jewelers' website discusses that a diamond's weight is evaluated on a point system. On that point system, 1 carat equals 100 points. So 2 carats would equal 200 points, and so on and so on. Much like football or basketball, the more points, the better. But with the more points, the bigger the diamond gets, which means the more expensive the diamond gets, of course. The Diamond Source states that the value per carat increases with carat size. So larger diamonds occur less frequently, therefore making them more expensive. Kay Jewelers proves this point by stating that 1 carat diamonds are found less often in nature, answering the question of why they are pricier than the smaller diamonds. In conclusion, I've discussed how to select the perfect diamond using the 4 C's system. Again, the 4 C's are as follows: color, cut, clarity, and carat. Most people dream of getting married someday, at some point in their lives. Hopefully, you will now know what to look for when you are searching for that diamond. Using the 4C system, finding the diamond will hopefully be less of a chore and more of something fun and a meaningful experience for you and your partner. Men can now rest assured that they know what their money's going towards, and they know what they're spending their money on, and they know what to look for. And women can now sleep knowing that hopefully their dream diamond is not too far in the future. Thank you.